If the touch screen is not working on Google Pixel 10 Pro, what you can try to do is go to settings, if it's possible of course, and over here we're gonna go to display and touch, and then you should be able to find the touch diagnostics, and over here you can choose that display is not very responsive to touch in order to perform the touch test over here. And besides that, we also have the touch sensitivity option, which can be used in order to enable adaptive touch and increase sensitivity. Besides that, you can try to restart your device. You can force restart it by pressing and holding the power button and volume up button. And if you press and hold both of these buttons, you will need to hold like this for a couple of seconds. Usually it takes like 20 seconds or so for Google Pixel 10 Pro to soft reset with this combination of both buttons. And you want to just keep holding them until the screen shuts down. There we go. Once that happens, you can release both buttons and the phone should reboot. And hopefully this will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.